Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the signs have been switched off. All mobile phones and any other devices for messaging, calls or internet access must remain switched off until the aircraft doors have been opened. Please make sure you take all your personal belongings with you, checking in the seat pocket, underneath the seat and in the overhead lockers. Do take care when opening your lockers in case anything falls out. Smoking is not permitted until you reach a designated smoking area. Thank you for choosing to fly with us today, and on behalf of the captain and the